In these unprecedented times, Allianz Partners staff are going to extraordinary lengths to help people. Varun's story is just one example. Varun works for Allianz Partners in India as a roadside assistance technician. When we took a call from a customer whose car had broken down in front of a hospital, Varun was immediately dispatched to assist. However, when he arrived, it became clear that the situation was far from ordinary. The customer was extremely distressed as he had driven to the hospital with his newborn baby, who, following 3 operations, required a blood transfusion. But due to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, the hospital didn't have any supplies, and the father's blood was not a suitable match. It was a serious situation, and to make matters worse, the customer was 600 kilometers from home, with no friends or family nearby who he could ask to be donors. Without hesitation, Varun offered to donate his own blood to help the baby. Thankfully, they had the same blood type, so Varun donated his blood, insisting on giving as much as possible in case more was needed at a later date. The customer was naturally overwhelmed. What Varun did embodies what we at Allianz Partners are all about, going above and beyond the call of duty. It's in our DNA, and it's what we do, day in, day out across the world. Allianz Partners is proud of Varun for his extraordinary gesture.